Hey you guys, I'm here with another DIY and look at how gorgeous this is. These are going to be little bags that I'm making for Christmas, and these are going to be filled with candy, and I'll be giving this out to a couple of like the helpers at school, the helpers at the daycare. I thought this was a great idea to fill in when I need to fill in, or like let's say I bump into somebody at work and they end up giving me something. I can always give them a little bag that I made full of chocolates. And it was super easy, and I just had to share this idea with you because it is easy. You could custom make it, you can add, you can take away, you can design however you want. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I am using these clear little bags that I picked up at the dollar store. So affordable. You get 20 bags for $1, and sometimes they come in packs of 25 for $1. So this is perfect. All I'm gonna do is measure this to the chocolate, and I'm gonna cut off the top layer. So go ahead and use your scissors, be careful, and cut up the top layer. And you can add any chocolate you want. You can use from anyone to Hershey's. I am using this World Finest because I actually brought them for my son. I bought a whole pack of them from the school. They sell them there. So it was perfect. It was a win-win. I'll be adding 2 candy bars per bag. I think that is plenty for someone, especially if you're in a budget. Now, you can go ahead and add a gift card. It is so optional. I'm going to go ahead and add it in Amazon gift card for $10. So this is a perfect gift. Not only for teachers and daycare workers, because that's what I'm giving them, but to co-workers as well. If you want to give them a little extra something, go ahead and add a gift card. I think that is adorable. And look at how cute it ends up. It looks really cute. You can change the color of the top. You can use any kind of paper. I am using cardstock paper, and I'm using this gorgeous paper that my friend Christy gave me. Thank you, girl, for Christmas, and I decided to put it to use. So I'm happy she gave me this paper, and I am using it, and I am loving it. So let me go ahead and put this to the side and show you how I made this. Now, I measured my card already, so just go ahead and measure. I end up using like I want to say it is a 3.5 by 5. So that's what I used. And once I got the measurement that I wanted, I cut a ton of them up. I decided to make extra ones and just take them with me that day of work in case I need to pass it out to somebody, or I forgot somebody and I just happen to have one by my desk, and I could just give it away to anybody who I feel like it. Now I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna go ahead and fold it in half. It's that simple. Make sure you have your scissors and a stapler in hand. I'm gonna add it to the top of the bag like that. Look at how simple that was. I'm gonna use my stapler. And now the trick to this is to turn it around without losing the top of the bag. And you're going to go ahead and turn it around, and you're going to pinch the corners down. So go ahead and fold the corner down as close as you can to the edge of the bag. If you pass it, it's even perfect that way. So you make sure you secured it and it doesn't fall out, because you don't want to pass this out and it falls out on someone. So just go ahead, and you see how I'm folding right there? I'm going to do the same thing to the opposite side. And once I have it folded just like I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and staple the corner. Now, the good thing about this, you can't even see the stapler, so there's no need to cover it at all. And look at how pretty that print is. It is deer. It's deer horns, I think. It's adorable. So once you have it exactly how you want it, go ahead and staple the side. You only need one staple, and that's all you're going to use because you want it to look clean. And you want a clean cut on any DIY you make. And look at how cute it is. I just made a custom Christmas gift that was easy, affordable, under, I want to say $12. Now the next step is to add decoration. Look at how cute that looks. You can add little bows to it. You can add little stars, little snowflakes. You can add a Christmas tree in the middle. You can do so many things. It is optional. So go ahead and bring out all those little things you cut up. And we're going to go ahead and use them to decorate these little bags. You can even leave it like that. It actually looks really nice like that. I love how the top of it looks already. You can add little cups of coffee. You can add stars. You can add, look at how gorgeous that is. That is a snowflake. Look at how cute it is. Now the back of it is clear and the front of it is glitter. Now this glitter does not shed, which I love this paper. You could pick it up at your Hobby Lobby. I'm going to go ahead and use double-sided stick tape, which is perfect for a project like this. It's just a tape that sticks on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and cut up a couple of pieces and stick it on there just to show you how easy it is. All you grab is your tape and you put it on there. You grab another piece or two and you put it on there. And then the top of it comes off easy. It's gonna come out clear. So don't let the red scare you. It's gonna come off clear and you'll be able to paste it anywhere. Go ahead and order this tape on Amazon or wherever you wanna find it. If you find it at your Hobby Lobby or your Michaels, it's perfect. And that's how simple it is. Now just peel off the back of it. And once you have the back of it, look at how clear it looks. And you're ready to add it to your bag. Now I'm going to go ahead and add it on the corner because that's exactly where I want it. And look at how gorgeous it looks. And that's perfect. That is a perfect gift you can give anybody, an adult, a child. It has chocolate and a gift card. What more can you want for Christmas? A friend, a coworker, a teacher, a guy, a girl, an old person, a young person. It's amazing. Now I'm going to show you how I made the little bags. Now for the little bags, all I did was cut one big bag in half. It's that simple. And you can actually use both sides. You can use the top of it as well and just add tape on the bottom of it. And it's the same thing. So that's exactly what I did to make the first one. I used both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and add this peppermint candy. And I'm going to add 2 pieces on here since they are kind of smaller. I thought it would be very cute to add them. And look at how adorable it is. You can add anything in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and push everything to the side because I'm going to make the top of it. I have this little cutter that my sister gave me. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. I already have the measurements. So I'm going to do is cut the top of it the same way. I'm going to use the same print since I'm loving it. And look at how easy with this cutter. One cut and that's it, straight line. I'm loving it and I'm using a lot of it this Christmas. All I'm going to do is fold it in half. It's that same steps. It's the same steps for all the little top holders. Now all you have to do is line it up with your bag. Make sure you have it on the inside of the bag. Once you have it, make sure you hold on tight to it. Go ahead and flip it. Fold the corners. Once you have the corner how you like it, go ahead and just staple it. And then just staple the corners just like you did to the other one. So yeah, I just had to show you this cute idea that I just found on Pinterest. I thought it was really cool. So I decided why not make my own. I thought I could put my own spin on it and my own decor on it and, you know, to just decorate it just how I like it. I thought it was super easy and I decided why not. And I'm happy that I made them because they actually came out perfect. And I made a couple of extra ones just in case, I forget somebody, which you never know. Or I just happen to see someone that I haven't, saw in a while. I could just pull it out of my purse, say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So look at how simple that was. There's your little bag. Now you can make a ton of little ones or you can make a ton of big ones. It's optional. But once you start, the ideas are just gonna flow in your head and you're gonna start making a ton of them. So look at how many I end up making. And I just had to show you really quick. On some of them I added money. I thought that was a great idea. And look at, I added a snowflake on the top of that one. On the purple one, I added a purple snowflake. I thought that was very cute. And it matched the chocolate. You know how I love to match everything. On this one, I added a McDonald's gift card. I thought that was cool. I was going to do it anyways. And I left it blank. I thought that was pretty as well. So you can add decor. You can take away. It's optional. And look at this one already came done. So I thought that was very cute. So I left it like that. And I actually added money there for a cup of coffee. You know how I am. I had to share this with you. I hope you guys are having a fabulous holiday. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. I wish you guys nothing but the best. I'm very happy this year. I was a very good person. Tell that to Santa. Look at this one. I added a little cup of coffee and a star. I thought that was so cute. But yeah, go ahead and make some. And if you do, let me know and tag me on it. And until next time, bye you guys.